In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix not receiving notifications from Microsoft To Do. If you are receiving notifications but all of a sudden you no longer get these alerts, then you can follow the following steps to fix this. Alright, to get started, you need to go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings look for this option apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for To Do, just like that, and tap on it. Here, go to permissions section and scroll down to notifications. As you can see, currently there are no notifications turned on. With this on, you'll never receive notifications from the app. To enable this, now go to show notifications, and now you will be able to receive all types of notifications, among them notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen, play sound vibration, as well as permanent notifications. So that's how you can fix this. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.